Hi parents, here's a quick way to get to all the work you need for virtual learning at home. You're going to start on the internet and you're going to go to ReadyHub. Any way you get there is fine. If you need to type in an address bar, it's readyhub.garlandisd.net. And here your student will log in using their student ID number and password, just like last year. When you get to ReadyHub, there's two things you may need to click on. The first one is going to be Canvas. It looks like this, and it's brand new to us. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and here you will need to log in with your child's email address and password. Canvas is where we house all of the work that we do. You will not see extra classes. You will only have the classes your child is enrolled in. You're looking for homeroom, and this is where all of our classes work is housed. Welcome to Classroom is at the top, and when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will find our virtual learning section, and these are the subjects you will click on to get your work. For example, in the mornings we do math. When you click on math, it'll give you each day. These buttons are also clickable for tomorrow on Tuesday. You will click. There is a lesson for you to watch here, an anchor chart that I mentioned, and then a discussion post to complete. When you're done, you always return back to home in order to go to your next activity. Don't forget we have live meeting times. The first one is at 8:10 each morning. And to get into those meetings, you click here on our Google Meet link, and you will be able to join just like you did last spring. The other button you will need to use in ReadyHub, which is normally going to stay at the top of your browser bar. You're going to be able to click back over here on ReadyHub, and you can use Seesaw this way. We've had some trouble with Seesaw logging in from Canvas, so if you see a Seesaw activity, come back to ReadyHub, click on Seesaw, and this will automatically log your child in. In order to find your activities, you will click on Activities over here to the side, and you will see all of our activities labeled by date and by content area. So if you're trying to work on August 10th math, you come click on August 10th math. They will all be here all week. Those are the two apps you will use and how to get to them. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me back.